This is a song about dogs. That's not about girlfriends and boyfriends or husbands and wives, but it's a love song just the same. About dogs. 'Cause I love dogs. It's not about cats, 'cause I don't love cats, which is not to say they're not cute and cuddly sometimes. They're just conceited and stupid. But I love dogs, and this song is to all the dogs I've loved before, who've wandered in and out my door. But that's another song, and this is my song. I'm not much for goldfish, I don't like guppies, but I love puppies. I don't like turtles and I can't stand frogs, but I love dogs. Just show me a canine, one that I can call mine. You know they only live to please. A fluffy little pup who'll be there when I wake up. I won't even mind when he pees, 'cause I love dogs. I don't like turtles and I can't stand frogs, but I love dogs. Dogs are cute and cuddly even when they make a puddly, and as a rule of thumb they make you talk real dumb.
Who's the best old girl in the world? Yes, sir, who's the best old girl in the world?
But I love dogs. I don't like turtles and I can't stand frogs, but I love dogs. Lassie is so classy, she's as neat as a pin, and Rin Tin Tin is as brave as 20 men. And when it comes to love, you know Benji isn't stingy, no matter the predicament he is in. And if you didn't cry when you saw Old Yeller, you belong under a rock in the corner of the cellar, 'cause I love dogs. I don't like turtles and I can't stand frogs, but I love dogs. Now you can have your money, your diamonds and your jewels. I'm perfectly happy with my buddy who drools, 'cause I love dogs. I don't like turtles and I can't stand frogs, but I love dogs.
Her's a good, I know, the best girl in the world. Her's the prettiest puppy in the world. Her's going to go for a walk.
Your first CDs.